In this video, I'll show you where to get a promo code for Papa John's. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, on my mobile device, I'm going to open up any web page and head on over to Google. Once I'm inside Google, I'm going to type in promo code for Papa John's here. Once I've done that, I'm going to click on enter. And then you'll have a whole list of results here. So you've got these different third-party websites like Real Tell Me Not, Papa John's themselves. You can go into Coupon Follow, Join Honey, coupons.com, etc. So if you can click onto any one of these third-party sites to get promo codes. But one particular site I like to use is couponfollow.com. So if I click on the couponfollow.com, it will direct me to their website, and then as you can see, if I scroll down here, you got all these different promo deals, and these change daily as well or weekly, so just keep that in mind. So to activate any one of these offers, simply click onto an offer, and now you want to copy this code to save an extra 25% off, and then paste this coupon code at the checkout section of Papa John's to receive your 25% off. Or you can just simply click on redeem at Papa John's, and that will get 25% off your orders as well.